Loves Park is home to a variety of architectural styles, from classic ranch homes and traditional two-story houses to more contemporary builds. When it's time to replace your door, choosing a one-size-fits-all option may not do your home justice. A custom replacement door allows you to enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and complement your home's unique character. If you're considering upgrading your entry or patio door, here's how custom replacement door options can be tailored to match Loves Park architecture while delivering long-term performance. Matching traditional ranch-style homes. Ranch-style homes are common throughout Loves Park. These homes often feature clean lines, brick or siding exteriors, and understated detailing. For this style, a classic fiberglass or steel entry door with simple paneling works beautifully. Neutral colors such as deep brown, charcoal, or crisp white maintain the home's balanced appearance. Subtle decorative glass inserts can add character without overwhelming the facade. Custom sizing ensures the new door fits seamlessly within the existing structure, preserving the home's proportions. Enhancing two-story traditional homes. Two-story homes in Loves Park often feature symmetrical layouts and prominent front entries. A custom replacement door can serve as a focal point. Consider doors with decorative glass, side lights, or transoms to create a welcoming entrance. Grid patterns in the glass can complement traditional window styles, while bold color choices, like navy, forest green, or classic red, can make a statement. Customization allows you to align hardware finishes, such as brushed nickel or oil-rubbed bronze, with other exterior details for a cohesive look. Complementing contemporary designs. Modern and contemporary homes benefit from sleek, minimalist door designs. If your Loves Park home features clean architectural lines, consider a door with smooth panels and large glass inserts. Frosted or tinted glass options provide privacy while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Black or dark bronze frames are popular choices that enhance contemporary curb appeal. Custom designs allow you to achieve a polished, updated look that reflects your personal style. Choosing materials built for Loves Park weather. While style is important, durability is essential in Loves Park's climate. Cold winters, humidity, and seasonal changes require materials that resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Fiberglass doors are an excellent custom option. They mimic the look of real wood while offering superior insulation and low maintenance. Insulated steel doors provide strength and energy efficiency, making them ideal for homeowners focused on security and performance. Custom replacement doors can be built with insulated cores, weather-resistant finishes, and advanced sealing systems to handle local weather conditions. Energy-efficient glass and insulation options. If your custom door includes glass inserts, modern energy-efficient glass packages are available. Double-pane glass with low E coatings helps reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer. This is especially important in Loves Park, where seasonal temperature swings can impact energy bills. By combining aesthetic customization with energy-efficient technology, you enhance both comfort and appearance. Patio door customization. For cohesive design, custom replacement options aren't limited to entry doors. Patio doors can also be tailored to match your home's architecture. Sliding doors offer a clean, space-saving design, while French patio doors provide a more traditional and elegant look. Frame finishes and glass options can be coordinated with your entry door for a unified exterior style. Boosting curb appeal and value. A custom replacement door does more than improve daily function. It increases curb appeal and property value. A well-chosen door creates a strong first impression and demonstrates attention to detail. In Loves Park neighborhoods, where homeowners take pride in their properties, a custom door upgrade can set your home apart. A personalized upgrade for Loves Park homes. Replacing your door is an opportunity to enhance your home's character while improving performance and security. With custom replacement door options, you don't have to choose between style and durability. You can have both. By selecting materials, finishes, and designs that complement your Loves Park home's architecture, you create an entrance that's both welcoming and built to last.